Okay, so guys, I need to tell you something. But if you guys are new to Roblox or like MM2 or something, if you are like whoops, if you're like a sheriff or like innocent, like if you get a hero win, um there's actually a new sound if you guys did not know. And this is for only like new players or rich players, but I just wanted to tell you guys. So